That is a gorgeous boot. Bobbers a natural edge on it. Go on, just let me film you bobbing a natural edge on it. Will you just? Can you just?
Can you just?
Can you just? I know it looks beautiful in the colour it is, it really does, but I just think that boot might look a little bit more casual with a slightly lighter edge to it. I'm just filming this, so don't hang about.
I'm not rushing a £500 boot.
Look at the colour in that leather. That is nice. Yeah, but if my video gets too long, people get bored. We should have done a, here's one we did earlier.
Yeah.
And you're hardly touching the welts there, aren't you?
Hardly anything coming on.
Okay. Okay. Colour wise then. Now I wouldn't have gone completely natural, but you can always put a bit of colour on with the brushes, yeah? You're just taking the excess off with a bit of sponge. Yeah, Paul has these sponges here that he cuts down and just takes the excess off. Taking some colour out of the...
I'm doing a pair of sea shades.
Ah, right, right.
To expose the rubber, you have to take some colour as well.
Oh, you know, I just love that. I just do. It just looks so much more casual than it did as a full dark-sided boot. Yep, that looks great. Well done.